Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And it's about 90 degrees under my tent, and this is my third painting in a row. And I still have leftover paint from earlier, and I did cover it when I went away on my errand to the vet. And that's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. I think what I want to do is add some of it from my Threek, but I'm going to start by completely, whoops, okay, really? So far today I found out that when you let your paints get hot, the clumps in them come to the surface. So I may see that. Don't ask me why I'm using the Prussian blue. It wasn't really a plan? It wasn't really a plan, but it is now. So I'm just going to do whatever I feel like doing right at the moment before I do whatever else I do right after that moment. Yeah, I know, not making that much sense, but I am still painting, so. I think that's white metallic. And you can see that all the paint is pretty hot. And I am just being wild and willful. I want not to dump over that dustpan of paint. That's what I want first. Second, I want to make something that I don't I don't know what I want. There you go. I want to paint. That's all. Just leave it right there. Oh, I have a bunch of greens from the other day. I wonder what those would do. That's got a lot of Floetrol in it. But it's going to get wasted if I don't use it. So let's mix my Floetrol right up on the spot. And just say that that's a different kind of painting. And maybe I should cover my dustpan and come back later. Yeah, I can mix some of my Prussian blue in with that green and come up with something pretty neat. Kind of want what? I don't know what I was going to say. I'm just so distracted. Ooh, shiny! By what I've got in front of me. I kind of want some white, some more metallic in there, but I've got a lot of paint. I also know that when I put the white in there, it pops, sells like crazy. Oh, I almost got rid of all my purple, my pink, excuse me. I did not want to do that. So that means, you know it, it's coming back again. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to do with any of that, but I've got it now. I want to wipe that spatula off. That's what I'm going to do to start. And that's a color shift by Folk Art. And I think I'm going to wipe it off again and allow my inspiration to go here. And that is a magenta. And I'm not doing anything I thought I would do to begin with, but that's actually okay with me. I want some more of that white. I kind of want to leave that white just like it is. Is that strange? Let's see where things move and if they'll move. If I tip them, we have a really strong breeze today, so I'm holding on tight. I want something else. I want to cover that paint up so I can use it in a minute. And I don't know if it'll be usable anymore because it's definitely getting on the glop trail. I have some of this, whoops, I have some of that splooge. I think it's Mystery or Mystique or something interesting from Art Minds. I see that thing that does not belong, and I think that gold and that white. See, I got rid of the white again. I don't know why I keep doing that. I keep putting it in and taking it out. So this is an odd video that's just not like any of the others, so I'm going to tell you. Wow! Are you upset or what? Holy! that makes me want my basting brush. You know what? I've got a basting brush, and that white paint worked out really well last time I did something with it. So I'm just going to do it again. This one has no bristles cut out, which means it's a big risk. But it also means that I've got plenty of residual in there if I want to add some strokes. Not really what I had in mind to begin with, but that's okay because I'm having a good time. And I remember now, if I want some gold anywhere, yeah, I like that swirly. But you all know that about me anyway. I'm the swirl girl. I think everybody's a swirl person, really. Or just only some of us admitting it. So I'm pretty happy with that, to tell you the truth. And it's not the background I expected it to be, but I wasn't also expecting to see that cup of green paint that was going to go to waste, that had been sitting out for 2 days with the Floetrol mixed in. And I can't wait to find out what that does. Of course, I have kind of mixed it in. That's a color shift. I don't really want to completely destroy that. But I like all that. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that at all. Cool. Well, unexpected though it is what it is. And I'm happy that it is, and I'm happy you guys were here. And this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying thank you guys for all the great comments you leave me, even when I'm strange. And for joining me in general and helping my channel succeed by watching more videos and giving me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. You guys have helped me out immensely, and I hope you never stop. If you want to watch more videos, you can binge watch me. There's over 600 of my videos on the end screens. Not that you can find all of them, but you can find some of them. And if you give me a thumbs up, that helps the YouTube algorithm know where to place me. And I want something down here. What is it? I want some Prussian blue. Can I have some? Pretty please? Oh, please don't splooge out. I don't want you to splooge out. Please, please, please don't. Well, fortunately, the Prussian blue is so strong that a little goes a long way. And we got a little. So that should be enough to stain the edge of the canvas for now, so it's not stark white. So I love you guys. I did say there were 65,000 of you. And thank you for all the contributions that have kept me going. If you want to be in this month's contest, look for the PayPal or Patreon link below the video or on my YouTube channel header. And if you contribute, then you will be included in this month's drawing. And on the end screens, you can see a video for June 8th, 2019. You can see a video that's offering June prize drawings along with some 10 by 20 inch canvases. And I want to torch this. We got a lot of pretty cells. Like a really, really phenomenal number of pretty cells this time. Beautiful, lacy, animal printy, yummy deliciousness. And I use no silicone, but I do use GAC 800 in all of my paints so that if my paint is thick, it doesn't crack when it dries. We got one angry bird. Who does not like the sound of my voice, evidently. It's like, I just came back and you're where my nest should be. You need to get out. Oh well. So you've just seen me at one of my oddest moments. I feel like I'm talking to myself today, sorry. If you shop my Amazon link, you will help me out. And you will find my book called Because I Can. I'm going to steal some paint from right there. Stick it on my edge. Because I can. There's OXO omelet turning spatulas there, and Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas there, and gold mica powder there, and resin art supplies. My other kind of mica powders way down the bottom, and cool stuff for Zentangle from my friend. And what else? I can't do two things at once right now, but I'm trying just the same. I did tell you guys I love you. We still have plenty of time, and I don't think I'm going to do anything else to that other than stick my finger in some metallic white paint and right there, because I see canvas and I don't want to see canvas there. All right. I'm sure I forgot to tell you something, like maybe about the Pinterest link or the Instagram link or the Facebook albums of YouTube wet and dry artworks at the bottom of the description, but since I just mentioned it, I guess we're all set. All right. I love you guys. I hope to see you again soon, and thanks for helping me out all the time by watching all the videos and making all those comments. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.